Kevin, in your opinion, what is the best riding ski hull on the market for 2023? Personally, Ultra. But that is going to be that decision would be a hell of a lot tighter if the FX hull had either better paint or just gel coat. If the Yamaha hull had a better paint or gel coat, I think I'd be really on the fence. I would probably personally let my personal bias shine and go Cowie, but again, it's personal bias. I know that hull really well. So, Greg, what do you say? Best riding hull.
It's no secret. I've said it time and time again. The GP hull is just fantastic for what I like to do, at least.
Right.
So I like to go faster than most people. I don't like the leisurely cruising around, and nothing is going to perform as well on flat water, in the turns, and I even think in rough water, which I know people are going to give me some stuff for that. And
look at the scoreboard. It wins.
Yeah.
Damn thing wins. It's just you're going to feel every inch of it.
So everyone that says that the GP is not good in rough water, it's just going too slow.
Yes.
You go slow, you're going to nosedive. You're going to get soaking wet more than you really want. You're probably going to inhale some water. But I don't want to be rude, but if you don't be a pansy and just squeeze the throttle, it's going to perform better than anything else.
Exactly.
When I'm on the GP and I come up on a lake and I see it's rough, I can't help myself but go in it and just stay full pin. And it's amazing at how straight it stays. It stays hooked up when other skis would come unhooked. And the power that you could really do in rough water, it's incredible.
Right. It is a racecraft hull. It is 100% a racecraft hull made for racers. And the people who complain about the GP are complaining that it behaves exactly as it's designed. And and it's like, dude, you bought this kind of, this is the animal that it is. And if you're trying to get that animal to behave differently and go against its nature, I got bad news for you. It's not going to work out.
Which, I mean, people in this that are watching that have been to Mudbug have seen me do it. You've seen me do it, like crossing Lake Verret.
Oh,
it gets very rough. And with my girlfriend on the back, I'm stopped waiting for people to catch up because we're wide open pinned across the entire 10-mile lake.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, I did that. Is that the one that we crossed and I was pinned out on the Ultra with
No. I was in the Sea-Doo for that one. So it was a little bit more rough for us.
Oh, yeah. We did that one on
the RXP.
You were on the Sea-Doo?
Yeah.
Yes, you were on your RXPX.
Yes.
Okay.
But even then, on that, I had it pinned, and the highest sustained speed through that showed on the dash was 82. So even that, it's capable in lighter chop.
Yeah. Verret was the one that I was on a bone stock 310 LX. I mean, come on, that thing taps out at 67. It's and but that's the one I had my daughter on, and the guy from Texas who hates my guts, he got up on me with his straight pipe, and I walked away on him with a little girl waving at him, and he didn't want to hang into it. And I was like, "Okay, bro." Oh, that's funny. Yeah, and Billy said it with Kylie on the back and a fuel rack.
Hey guys, thanks for hanging out. This clip was taken from our weekly podcast that we record here every Sunday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to watch the whole video, you can go to the Watercraft Journal's YouTube channel, go to playlists, and then click on live sessions. You're going to see it there. Otherwise, go ahead and leave a like, a comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow. And again, thanks again for watching our videos, and we hope to see you soon.